What is good, everybody? Today is August 5th. I did end up taking a long position today, and I'm going to break down exactly why I ended up taking this trade. So going into market open here, I will jump on the higher time frame. So jump on the 4-hour. We had a retrace back to the upside yesterday. So we had this massive sell-off from last week. Price came up yesterday. We tapped into equilibrium of the 4-hour range. And honestly, today I was expecting price to move lower. I did obviously end up taking a long position, but I'll break down the reasoning why. So I'll jump into the 1 minute time frame. We can see off of open, so 9:30 open here, price makes a move lower. We come down and we sweep out 1-hour lows. These were also London session lows, and we tapped into a bullish 4-hour gap. So I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. So back to the 4-hour time frame again, we can see that we had a bullish 4-hour fair value gap right here. Price comes down, we tap into this bullish gap, and we get a great reaction back to the upside here. So back to the 1 minute now, we can see that we come down, have that sweep, tap into that 4-hour gap, great momentum back to the upside here. We fly straight through this bearish 1 minute gap. I enter right here off of the inverse. We have a internal high right here. So we had equal highs at the first internal high. That's where I go break even. And to add more confidence to this trade, we had trendline liquidity here. We also had these highs up here that I was targeting. So I go break even here. This next candle, unfortunately, wicks me out. I thought this trade was going to play out just because of the momentum here. We had a great next candle here, and then unfortunately we create a down move. That wicks me out. We chop a little bit, and then we have a push higher. This would have been my target up here. Obviously, it did not end up getting hit regardless. And then we did have some news at 10 a.m. But it is what it is. I followed my plan, and that is literally all you can do. Obviously, it sucks to get break even, but it's a great setup regardless. This was an A+ setup. But the reason why, looking back, that this did not end up getting hit is because this was a protected high from because it was an SMT with ES. So this was a protected high. That's the reason why that did not end up getting hit, but obviously gonna learn from it, and we will move on to tomorrow. Still got 3 trading days this week. Fired up for the rest of the week, and hopefully we can find some good setups. Be back on here tomorrow with another recap. Hope everyone has a great night. See you guys tomorrow.